In this video, I'll guide you through how to check your data usage on T-Mobile. Keeping track of your data usage is essential to avoid any unexpected charges and ensure you're making the most of your mobile plan. Whether you're using a T-Mobile phone for personal use or managing a family plan, checking your data usage is quick and easy. Let's dive right in. First, grab your phone and open the dialer app. This is the same app you use to make calls. Once you have it open, you'll need to enter a special code, #932#. That's #932#. After you've entered the code, go ahead and press the call button. This code acts as a shortcut to access your usage information directly from T-Mobile's system. It's a handy feature for those times when you're on the go and need a quick check. Now, after hitting the call button, you'll need to wait for a few seconds. T-Mobile will process your request, and shortly after, you'll receive a text message. This message will provide a summary of your current data usage, along with details about your call and text usage. It's a straightforward way to get a snapshot of your usage without needing a Wi-Fi connection or having to log into any apps. If you prefer a more detailed view or want to check your usage history, you can use the T-Mobile app or access your account online. The T-Mobile app is available for both Android and iOS devices, and it offers a more comprehensive overview of your usage, including past billing cycles and any additional charges. To use the app, simply download it from your device's app store, log in with your T-Mobile account credentials, and navigate to the usage section. Here, you'll find all the information you need, neatly organized for easy reference. Alternatively, you can log into your T-Mobile account via a web browser on your computer or tablet. Once logged in, head to the Account Overview or Usage section to see detailed reports of your data, call, and text usage. This is a great option if you're at home or have access to a computer, as it provides a larger screen to view your information. And that's how you check data usage on T-Mobile. Whether you choose to use the quick dialer code for a fast check or prefer the detailed insights from the app or online account, T-Mobile makes it easy for you to stay informed about your usage. Keeping track of your data helps you manage your plan effectively and avoid any surprises on your bill. Thanks for watching, and I hope this guide has been helpful. Be sure to check your usage regularly to make the most out of your T-Mobile service.